Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Homebased. I am from Columbia, South Carolina, and we're going to talk about all the tax benefits of owning your home-based travel online business. So stay tuned, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell for future videos. Well, here it goes. I have been in the travel industry for almost 4 years. I started in May of 2019. And one of the things that really excited me when I started this business was having a home-based travel business. Not only that, because it is a business, I get a 1099, I'm considered self-employed, I will be able to benefit from all the tax benefits of owning a home-based business. So I'm going to keep you current, keep the information simple, and I want you to be able to write these 11 things down that you can really benefit. There, of course, are over 400 qualified tax benefits, but you have to get back with your CPA. I am not a certified tax accountant. No, I'm not. I'm a certified nail tech, and now I'm a travel business owner. But these are the things that I was able to understand from my CPA, from the business, how this can benefit me. So I just want to share this with you because there's a lot of new agents out there, and one of the things that you want to understand is tax benefits. How can you do this properly so that way you are compliant with the IRS? So anything that you deem as necessary, reasonable, and ordinary for your operational cost of your business is considered a tax benefit for you because you're working your business. Again, I am not a CPA, so I'm not giving you any tax advice. This is actually just me being in business and how I was able to just keep myself organized through the business and how I've been really able to benefit my family as a whole by owning something that I use every single day. The world loves it, and I'm able to earn additional income from home. So these are the 11 things that you should keep in mind, and keep receipts of all these things, and then get the numbers together to send to your CPA. Number 1, operational costs. This means it's your startup of your business. So if you just started your business 6 months ago, go ahead and write that down, how much it costs, and then your monthly costs. The 6 months in, you can calculate that and give that to your tax accountants. But if you are doing this year to year like myself, I just take my monthly cost and I multiply it by 12 months, and that's how I get the number. Number 2 is your home office. We conduct our business from home, but you can actually work this anywhere, any office that you have that you use on a regular basis. For this though, what you want to do is calculate the size of your office in the ratio of your square footage of your home. You should be able to give that to your tax accountant. There is a dollar amount every single year that you can write off. Your tax accountant should be able to come up with this number for you. All you got to be responsible for is to come up with the size of your office. Number 3, the supplies, the things that are used within your office. For example, pens, pads, books that you read for self-development, notebook, notepads, your lights, toiletries. You gotta have, toiletries right next to your office. So paper, toilet tissue, anything that is used right there because you need it to work your business. Decor, your furniture, like I said earlier, you want to make sure that it is purchased within the year of you operating your business. So for example, all the things that you bought before prior to starting this business, or that you have written off for the year before, they will not count for this year. So you want to make sure that your receipts are in correlation to what you have reported with your CPA. Like for example, like the decoration, like this flower pot that's right there. If I bought that and I put it in my office, you know what? It's considered working for my business because you need this, because guess what? I'm on social media right now and I'm in front of you, and this is my office with my flower pot. Does that make sense? Okay, I hope it does. Number 4 is your laptop, your phone, your camera to work this business. I actually update my iPhone every single year because I want it to be current. I want to make sure the quality of my phone works well. I've created all my YouTube videos from my phone. The cost of the apps to use to edit these videos, I write that off too, because any subscriptions that I have that pertains to making videos, making flyers, anything like that, that is considered operational costs. If you update a new laptop every single year, you're able to write that off. So if you're a brand new agent and you just bought a $1,200 laptop, guess what? 100% of that will be tax deductible because you really need it to work this online home-based travel business. The cost of your phone. So whatever your phone bill is, let's say it's $1,000 for the year to pay for your phone, the cost of using the whatever the phone bill is, okay, $1,000. You can decide, like, do you use your phone 75% or 90% of the time? So then you would get the percentage of whatever you use on your phone to be able to write that off. I actually write off about 90% because I literally am on my phone all day, all night. I do social media, I create quotes, I send out flyers, I coordinate with my clients, we create information back and forth, we communicate. I literally work from my phone almost 24/7. So yes, I'm going to be able to write that off, absolutely. Number 6, events, conference, and trainings. I have a notebook, right? So that's tax deductible, but I just want to make sure I get all the information to you so I'm not missing out on anything. You can, of course, Google this online just to find out some information, but your CPA is going to be your best source. Any events that you go to. So in fact, I was at a Pinnacle event for top 100 agents this past year in December, as around my birthday, but I was there for the Pinnacle event for top 100 of my host travel agency, and I got to be there. My flights, my round trip flights, my registration, my hotel stay for that all-inclusive event, transfers to get back and forth, all of that is tax deductible. If I had to buy luggage additional for my trip, that is also operational cost. I can use that as well. So my lodging, my registration tickets, like I said, my car rental, if I needed a car rental, my Uber rides. So if there's an Uber ride to and from your conference and your trainings, any type of transportation, even down to your ticket that it costs to park the parking space, you're able to write that off as well. Number 7, meals with clients or during events. Keep track of the receipts. Anytime that you have a business meeting, a business meal somewhere with someone, you will be able to write on average of 50% of that receipt. In 2022, I did read somewhere that you will be able to write off 100% of your meals. So get back with your CPA and make sure that you understand 2022 taxes, because right now it's 2023. I just want to stay current with you for your upcoming year. But for those of you who are about to file taxes by April the 15th, be aware of the 2022 meal rule that they have right now. Number 8 are those fam trips. They are familiarization trips where you get to experience it from a client's perspective. So if you pay for your fam trip there, for example, they had a 7-night one to Greece for $1,250. If you go on that trip, your flights that it takes for you to fly there, your whole entire experience is tax deductible. So you want to be able to write off your whole experience in its totality because it is necessary and reasonable to operate your business. And when you go to these resorts, you are going to do a site inspection and you want to record all of this on something you can keep record of. So if you ever get audited, you can show that I was there, I learned about the property, I did a 30-minute to 1-hour inspection so I can learn from the in and the out of the resort, so you can go back and better sell it to your client. Let's say you are a wedding planner and you want to go to the resort and experience it for yourself first, for your client. You can actually go there and stay there, learn everything about the property, have a meeting with their wedding specialist, and you have a business meeting. So everything that transpired during that meeting for the purpose of your business, you will be able to write that off. So that is really great. Just make sure that if you want it to be compliant, that you do some form of hotel inspection, resort inspection while you are there. Number 9, your car expense. So you want to keep up with miles from your home to wherever you're going. You can keep that up and then just give the miles to your tax accountant. You want to keep a calendar of where, when, how, and with whom, and your reason. So if you can answer all those questions, that then will be tax deductible. Or you can look at the expense of your car. Your tax accountant will decide which way is better for you, what makes sense, because all of us have different tax brackets and ways in which we need to do our taxes. So your CPA is going to know what to do, what is best for you. But some people choose to do the cost of their car if you have a lease your car, and if you have like a sticker or a magnet on your car for your business, you'll be able to write off certain expenses with your car, like the maintenance and all that and more. 10 is marketing your business. We are in a worldwide web business. We got to embrace social media marketing. So if you spend any kind of money to market yourself on social media, on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, it's considered an expense. If you pay for ads anywhere, if you have bought your business cards this year to give out to your clients, if you bought an app to create your flyers and your virtual business cards, you can do that. Gift cards, gifts that you purchase for your clients, like a gift bag or a travel tag, anything that you gift to your client, you can actually write that off. But keep the receipts for all those things. So any pens, anything that has marketing material on there, you can actually use that for your benefit. And lastly, number 11 is donations. We are always trying to give back to the community. So anytime that you have donated any funds toward any kind of organization, so if you did any kind of donations, even online and Facebook, you can keep track of those yourself and you will be able to print them out. Let's say donated $500 this year to the American Cancer Society, you can do that. So anything that you have purchased and you gift them to, or you donate it through your business, you can absolutely do that. So these are just a few things that I feel like that are considered necessary, reasonable, and ordinary to your business operations. Guys, that's exciting. I love it. There's so many more ways in which it can benefit you tax-wise, but these are just some of the few that I have found that are useful for me and my business through the years. And as we grow in our organization, the tax laws change. So make sure that you stay on top of everything. But the most important thing you can do for your CPA is to stay organized. I keep everything, all my receipts from my phone. So I'm going to print everything out, but I have all the receipts of all my travels to all the events on my phone, and I keep that in a folder, and then I just calculate the numbers and I send it to my CPA. Don't forget to use QuickBooks. That's somebody was recommending that to keep track of the records. So if you're really good with record keeping, kudos to you. And then a physical calendar. That is very, very important because you will forget all the things that you have done. There are 12 months in a calendar year, and the travel boom is here. It is growing exponentially, and our company has been booking over $50 million in travel sales every single month. So right now, we're absolutely growing. So to those of you who are brand new and you just got your business started, learn the business, give yourself about 20 to 40 hours to learn, pass the modules and register with a few of these suppliers. What you need to do next is to market yourself and tell your friends and your family and share your virtual card. Give out your regular business cards to everyone you know, because they all have a network, because people are really looking for professionals. They're looking for people like you. They can't get the response. They can't get customer service from those online travel agencies. They still need a personal touch, and that is you. You are unique. You're going to bring value to your customers, to your clients, and they're going to absolutely love it because you don't charge a fee, right? Why would I not use you? It doesn't cost me a thing. In fact, you can save me money in the long run, and you save me a lot of time. So it's a win-win. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you for being a part of my journey and following, getting all my videos. Subscribe, like, share, leave some comments below, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye. I have some guests here, so I gotta go.